Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about the histology and different layers of retina. In this diagram, I have tried to show different layers and cells of retina. If we observe the portion of retina under microscope, then we will see that the retina consists of two basic layers, the neural retina or retina proper and the pigmented layer or retinal pigment epithelium. This region is known as the neural layer or neural retina or retina proper. It is the inner layer that contains photoreceptor cells, conducting neurons, association neurons, supporting or neuroglial cells, etc. This outer layer of the retina is known as retinal pigment epithelium. So first, retinal pigment epithelium layer. This is a single layer of cuboidal epithelial cells which are known as pigment cells. The cells are filled with melanin. The cells rest on Bruch's membrane of the choroid layer. This layer absorbs light passing through the neural retina to prevent reflection and resultant glare. It serves as a major component of the blood-retina barrier. These are photoreceptor cells. There are two types of photoreceptor cells, rod cells and cone cells. These are rod cells and these are cone cells. The rods are responsible for non-color vision and vision under conditions of reduced light. The cones are responsible for color vision and visual acuity. The outer and inner segments of these photoreceptor cells form the layer of rods and cones. This is Muller's cell. Muller's cells are responsible for the homeostatic and metabolic support of retinal neurons. The apical boundary of Muller's cells form the outer limiting membrane layer. In this layer, all the cell bodies or nuclei of retinal rods and cones are present. So, this layer is named as outer nuclear layer. These are bipolar cells. These cells are second order neurons in the visual pathway which transmit signals from photoreceptors to ganglion cells. This is a horizontal cell. The horizontal cells use the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA and functions by inhibitory feedback to photoreceptor cells and bipolar cells. In this layer, synapses occur between photoreceptor, bipolar and horizontal cells. This layer is named as outer plexiform layer. This is an amacrine cell. The amacrine cells lack axons. There are at least 40 types of amacrine cells found. These are the major carriers of rod signals to the ganglion cells in the retina. So, in this layer, the cell bodies or nuclei of horizontal, amacrine, bipolar and Muller's cells are present. This layer is named as inner nuclear layer. Now see this zone. Here, the processes of bipolar, amacrine and ganglion cells are present and also synapses occur between them. This layer is known as inner plexiform layer. These are ganglion cells. They are the third order neurons in the visual pathway. They are the bridging neurons that connect the retinal input to the visual processing centers within the central nervous system. So, in this layer, the cell bodies or nuclei of ganglion cells are present. This layer is known as ganglion cell layer. Now, these are the processes or actions of ganglion cells and form the layer of optic nerve fibers. These nerve fibers ultimately form the optic nerve. Finally, this is the last layer of retina. It is composed of the basal lamina of Muller cells. This layer is known as inner limiting membrane. So this is all about the histology and different layers of retina. If you have any query, then please comment. Subscribe the channel and share the video if you like. Stay with us, keep watching. Thank you.